rather wash than cook. Huh? I see. People will better go and live with each other when you grow up, because this whole division of labor that you do, one person prefers to do this on the other person instead of doing everything at once. Morning, people. Today is Saturday and I am starting a new vlog. I'm just coming downstairs and I realized that these ones have made food. Anyway, mother brought me breakfast in bed, which you guys must have seen right now. But I came downstairs because I was hearing noise, only for me to realize that Mona made, in fact, I think it's becoming a trend because I'm just literally noticing it. Andre is doing the dishes because Mona made breakfast. I don't know if that's a good thing to do. In fact, me, I'm trying to choose my battles, keeping my mouth out of it. But I think if I'm supposed to talk, that whoever cooks should clean up. So what do I know? Anyway, so I'm going to go and take my bath. Kara is literally going to take my whole day today. She has a birthday. She also has her dance show today. So when kids are involved like this, I try not to vlog their faces, but as much as I can show you, I'll show you without exposing the kids involved. So let me go and get ready. First of all, Kara will go for her birthday, and then when we come back, we'll go for her dance show. Hobby is sleeping. Hobby just came back from night shift. So yeah.
First time I ever saw you, I fell in love when you entered the room. And when the light hit your face, we were just kids, but I knew right away.
Bye.
I will be with you
That's how you
until
play
I
my
stop
game. You
breathing.
don't touch again. Calm down with you.
I will keep loving you as long as my heart's beating.
Let's see who's the prettiest one.
Oh, hold me close. Promise you won't let go. I'm nothing without you. I don't know what I would do without you. You are the one
It's okay. It's
I choose.
That one.
Wanna go with you. I'm nothing without you. I don't know what I would do.
We are actually 10 minutes late to this birthday, and unfortunately Kara will not be able to stay till the end because of her dance, so we're hitting the road now, and I'll see you guys when we get to the birthday.
And when I look in your eyes, I know that I will be with you the rest of my life. I will be with you until I stop breathing. I will keep loving you as long as my heart's beating.
Hi guys, today I'm also doing my performance, which was not my first one. I had one before when I was like little.
Come on, sit down. Come on, sit down.
Okay guys,
We are running very late. She's supposed to be there by 2:30. I don't even know how I stayed longer in that birthday. That birthday got me carried away, but yeah. We are running very late, and then she'll go and show her brothers her
Dress.
outfit.
I don't know what I would do without you. Do without you. Do without you.
Jingle bell rock, jingle bells chime. You're not a voice, you're just a ringing light. Into the end.
It's in the ballroom, who's dancing all night with our stomachs full of butterflies. First time I saw your face, I fell in love.
Mona is making pancakes for himself and his siblings. Mona, okay.
Oh,
It's Sunday morning and we're not going to church today. A lot is happening this weekend, and I might just have to attend mass online, which is by 11. But for now, I'm just chilling because this one has taken over my kitchen. And I've got my coffee. Kara is practicing her dance. She still has a dance show today because it's Saturday and Sunday. So this is the final bathroom.
You're actually fine.
So I brought out meat. I don't know what I'm going to be making, guys. So yeah, we'll see. This is fish. This is brisket bone. I know that hubby talked about eating suya, so I might just consider making suya for him. But this is fish. I don't know what I'm going to be making with that fish. Anywho, smash that like button and subscribe. Let's continue this weekend vlog.
And don't forget to put your bell notification
Say
on.
notification.
Notification.
Notification. Good.
On, so you cannot miss any video. Bye.
Do without you, do without you.
Do they always do?
Not been on that.
Lying awake with the sound of an emptiness you left behind. Trying to sleep, but the silence is haunting this room every night. Oh, I wish the sun would rise and see the clouds pass by. I didn't want to say goodbye to you, but you're gone. I don't wanna close my eyes. It feels like I'm falling down, falling down. Oh, why won't they go away? Pictures of you in my head. The way you left broke my heart. I'm breathing the air of this morning, but it's not the same without you. Wearing the t-shirt you left, but it no longer smells like you do. I can't stand to feel this way. My body's screaming out your name. I didn't want to say goodbye.